Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of TOC. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 2 question number 15. Let G1, G2 be context-free grammar and R be the regular expression. For a grammar G, let LG denote the language generated by G. Which one among the following question is decidable? And 4 options are given. Let's check one by one option. Option A is L of G1 equals to L of G2. G1 and G2 both are context-free grammar. It is asking is language of G1 equals to language of G2. This is undecidable. Equivalence of 2 CFG is a undecidable problem. Actually, there are set of problems which are undecidable and which are decidable. I already discussed that set of problem. Just go through that lecture. Next option B is LG1 intersection LG2 equals to 5. This is also undecidable. The problem of checking for the 2 CFG generate disjoint language is undecidable. Both intersection is 5 means they are not generating any common string. So their intersection is disjoint, that is undecidable. Next option C is LG1 equals to LR. This is also undecidable. Checking further, a context-free grammar generates same language as a regular expression is undecidable. Means one regular expression is given, one context-free grammar is given. Both will generate the same language, that is undecidable. For context-free grammar, you can write the regular expression, and for regular expression, you can write the context-free grammar. But both separate are given. Whether both generate the same language, that is undecidable. Next option D is LG1 equals to 5. One language is empty. This is decidable. Okay. We can easily check whether it is generating any string or not. If it is not generating any string means it is empty. Okay. The emptiness problem of context-free language is decidable. We can easily decide whether one language generate empty language or generate some string. So here answer will be option D. Is LG equals to 5? This is decidable. Rest all are undecidable. During decidable, undecidable lecture, I already discussed set of problems which are decidable, which are undecidable. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.